What is good, Lottery Stocks fam? So right now, it is an extreme mess in here. Don't worry about the background. I'm steaming some clothes. I was going to announce it to you guys. I will be gone for the week next week. I'm going on a cruise on Sunday from the 14th to the 21st. That is one thing I wanted to note. But I wanted to come at you guys really quick. Currently steaming some clothes right now, so I don't really have time to sit down and create a video for you guys and edit, break it down for you. Basically, crypto is crashing. The market is taking a nice little sell-off. Bitcoin's down 15%, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Shiba all down over 15%, Bitcoin Cash, etc., etc. What is happening? What moves am I making? There's two things. There's two money-making opportunities that I see here. And if you have your phone, and your broker ready, then I'm going to tell you right now, coming into the weekend, there's opportunity to make money, and then coming into next week. As of right now, a lot of stuff is happening with war. So war is one of the big things that is causing sell-offs right now. However, is that causing the crypto sell-off? Not necessarily, but it definitely has an effect. Once the market sells off, crypto is going to sell off as well. Okay, two things. I personally added more. I bought more Bitcoin. When it went down to around 65, 66. I bought more when it went down to around 66,000. I bought more Ethereum Classic. I didn't actually own Ethereum Classic before, but I bought Ethereum Classic a little bit, added to my Doge. My Dogecoin is now my second heaviest position under Bitcoin. Shiba, purchased some Shiba, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and just some other altcoins. Okay, so I added a little bit to my portfolio. One thing to note, I didn't add a ton because the sell-off can continue. Another thing to make a ton of money coming into the week going forward is selling puts on blue chip stocks. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Also, guys, hope you like the wireless mic. I have this because I'm working on something else for you guys, and I'll just talk about that later. But selling puts on blue chip stocks, as long as you have the collateral for this, you are going to basically get free money or guaranteed money. You're going to sell the puts and you're going to collect the profit, get paid by your broker, right? And then after that, if let's say Apple's not at the price that you end up selling those puts, you're betting that Apple's, not going to be above this, under this price, right? Sorry, my mind is going all over the place. And you have to purchase Apple at that price. It's a win-win scenario. One, it's likely not going to be there. You're going to make the money from the cash secured puts or just from the puts and not need to repurchase Apple. For example, this is just one example. And even if you did have to and you were wrong, you still got paid by the broker. But since you have to purchase the blue chip stock, they are in a sell-off anyway. Apple, Tesla, I wouldn't say Nvidia necessarily. Nvidia is still pretty high to purchase. They are in a sell-off right now. And 5-10 years from now, you're going to make a lot of money even if you bought at the price that they're at. So basically guaranteed money from selling these puts. And then the 50-50 that you purchase the stock at a lower price, at a higher price, right? But the chance is very unlikely because of war, because of the effect that it's having on the market, because of the effect that it's having on the crypto space, right? In general, I got to get going and steam this. Basically, crypto. There's two things that you basically could have done. You could have sold off as soon as you saw, everything start breaking down, and you could wait to buy in. This is one way I see it. If you're an active trader and you're watching it every single, hour, every single half hour, you're watching it. This is one way to play it. But what I see over the horizon, what I'm doing, right, is adding more, not necessarily doubling down right away, adding more. And then if it drops lower, adding more, adding more, adding more. Technicals show me that, yes, this is going to be a temporary sell-off. We were in extreme greed for the market. We were, have these catalysts coming out. War, Iran, US is involved. It is what it is. We had CPI data come out hot, right? All the above, okay? As of right now, what I see as a plan is adding more, waiting 12 months. The halving is right around the corner, April 20th for Bitcoin, waiting 12 months, right? And having that money double, at least. Double, potentially triple, especially with altcoin. I don't think altcoin season has even started yet. So Bitcoin, take that move up afterwards, and I still see 80K as a minimum. This sell-off is telling me that, the pump is probably going to pass 80K because of how long it's taking to consolidate and, retrace, and it's probably going to go past that. This sell-off is, if anything, is healthy in my opinion. So this is what I'm doing. You guys let me know in the comments what you plan on doing. I'm sorry I couldn't get to you guys sooner, but the crypto sell-off is here. I don't think it's going to last too long. Every single halving before, well, at least the 2016, 2020, 2012 Bitcoin halvings, we talked about it in a video. It flags out pre-halving and it breaks to the downside out of the flag. The flag this time broke to the upside, failed a retest 2 times, and now it is breaking to the downside. It's pretty simple. I don't have the charts pulled up. I don't have the computer pulled up, but I'm sure that is what's happening. I'm sure it's testing the bottom of the wedge or breaking out of the wedge already to the downside. And if it's testing the bottom of the wedge, then, we could see a breakdown. We need to see what momentum, how the momentum is looking, how the volume is looking. Are people actually dumping it? Okay. And we need to know what big institutions are doing, big players are doing. Another thing is, if you didn't see the video earlier, banks had an effect on everything. Big banks reported earnings, clearly didn't come out too hot. They all ended up crashing, okay? They ended up crashing, burning. Some of them rebounded, but overall, a nice flash down. I just see this as a buying opportunity in a bull market. That's really all I see. We talked about DJT earlier as well. Knifing down. Don't try and catch a falling knife. I don't know. I don't, see that valuation where it's at. And if it's running out of momentum, then that play could be temporarily done. But it is election year. Okay. Another thing to note. Also, as far as going for a week, it's not that I'm not going to update you guys. I'm still going to try as best as possible. I don't know how the connection is going to be. Purchasing Wi-Fi. Never been on one, so pray for me because I'm shitting bricks. I'm not going to lie. But am excited. I have 2 videos prepped that I'm actually excited for you guys to watch. I've been working on them. Taking me a while. Of course, I wouldn't leave you guys hanging. And I can't wait for them to go up this week. So that should be interesting. Until then, I will be posting on the weekend for you guys. And yeah, this is just a quick update. Crypto crash, crypto rug pull, and I said it in Discord immediately. I added more, and crypto's getting rug pulled. If you're not in the Discord, get in. The link is right under the video, and all that good stuff. And if you want, free stocks, everything, Moo, link under the video, all that good stuff. Do that for the weekend. I hope to see some of you guys pop in the Discord from this video and be like, hey, I also did that, or I'm actively trading this. But that is it. This is a quick update. Hopefully you guys like the new mic. Wireless mic helps me out because I'm steaming stuff. And yeah, I just don't have time to sit. Okay. I love you guys. Again, remember that. Go watch the video I uploaded earlier. Peace.